This is nice. But just like the open bit of shelving and then that. Is it cheaper on Amazon? Amazon.
It's a bigger package.
Yeah, I wanted like a...
PS2. Oh, that's nice, that.
See, I don't like these chairs. They freak me out.
The feeling.
Oh. Okay, so me and Nate have literally just got back from IKEA. I don't know if you can tell by the fact I'm still literally in my coat. My hair is still wet from the rain outside and I've still got my scarf on. I've not even changed out into my slippers. I was going to show you them, but can you see that? I don't even know. Anyway, yeah, we've just come back from IKEA. It was a bit of like an impromptu trip just because I had one day off in between like working 6 days and Nate had 2 days off, and he said last night when I finished work, he said, do you know what, I'm gonna come pick you up and we'll go do something fun tomorrow. So today what we did was we went to IKEA in Nottingham and I ended up actually buying a few bits because there was some really good discounts, and I actually also bought some bits that I asked for, well, not asked for Christmas, but that I kind of wanted to get anyway before Christmas already. Because I was looking at all the furniture and I was like, there's no point me getting this like Kallax, whatever it's called, set up yet, because I don't have room. I don't have enough days off at the moment to even begin to like set it up and like get rid of some of the furniture that's already in my room. So I just bought some little bits. And I'll show you what I bought now because I may as well. And we didn't really vlog that much in IKEA. We were kind of just like walking around because we hadn't been to IKEA in so long. This is the first time we've gone to IKEA since Nath has had a car. So we've been able to buy loads of bits and like just shove it all in the back of a car no matter the size. When we've been to IKEA before, it's usually been because obviously I've been at uni and I've had to buy like extra bits for my uni house, my uni room, and we've just had to drag like one of them big blue bags on the bus or on the tram. So now that Nate's driving, we went ham. So I'll just do like a really quick haul because I do want to get this all tidied away and just, you know, kind of like sorted. But I got a frame. This was literally only like a £5, but I needed a frame to frame my degree because it's just been lying in a folder, and I'm just like, right, if I'm not going to be working in my degree field, I at least should hang my actual certificate up maybe. Okay, and then these boxes, I was looking for some boxes. I love this design, by the way, the little cats. I'm so surprised that they even had it. But yeah, I got 4 of these little storage boxes, and basically I've still got loads of things in bin bags from when I moved out from uni. And they're all just like sitting under my bed in like bin bags still. I've got like loads of clothes for Vinted, and I've got like loads of craft bits. So I just wanted to get a couple of boxes. I was going to get some of the big plastic boxes, but they were like 20 quid. And I was just a bit like, for like just some plastic box, you're all right. So I got these. These were actually 4 for 3 on like the family app thing. And Nath actually got the family app because it's like completely free from what we can see. So I got 4 of them for £12. So I think that was pretty good, to be fair. Obviously they are smaller than like the plastic ones, but I was only going to get one of the plastic boxes for that price. So 4 of these I think is a little bit better. And they're just cuter. Like, I love this pink one, and I think this cat one is just fucking unbelievable. Next up, really random, but I got a tin opener because mine and my mum's tin opener is just absolutely fucked. It doesn't open tins. Also, these are the names of the boxes, if anyone also needs boxes for whatever reason. They had loads of like cool colours and designs. Then this is actually really cool. It's like a little pegboard that you can customise and like hang like a shelf from, or like, you know, if you're a creative, again, you'll understand this, or if you're like a gamer or whatever, because it's so nice to keep things like organised and to like hang things up, like scissors, threads. I actually do have a little thing for my threads that I need to hang back up soon, but I've literally wanted this for so long. When Wilko were closing down, they had a similar one, but it was like, I think it was actually for photos, not like a pegboard. So this will just be ideal. So yeah, this will be really good. And I got like loads of little add-on bits because that was only £13. So then I got this little shelf, which was like £4, I think. This, which I think was like 3 quid. This pack of 3 little like plastic tubs that you could like keep little loose bits and bobs. I mean, you could literally use this for anything, because this could be for like makeup stuff and like just whatever that you need to organize. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have some like earring bits and bobs in here. That's why I wanted something with like lids. And then I also got like 2 of these long hooks that you can like put something across it. Like, I don't, they had like a yoga mat on it, if that makes sense. And then I got some smaller hooks as well, but I can't actually, I think they're in my bag. There's the smaller hooks. So these ones you can kind of just hang individual things from. And if you're curious, this is called Scadis. There's a more expensive one that's like metal, but this one is plastic, I think. That's why it's cheaper. The more expensive one, I think, was like £27 just for this, whereas this was 13, so you could literally get 2 of those and it would still be cheaper. And they had like a smaller size for a tenner and a bigger size for 15. And on to like one of the main stars of the show was this mirror that is absolutely huge. And it was £60, but because of the little family app thing, it was one of the first things that we saw when we came in, and it's what made Nath get the family app thing, because I was like, I really love that mirror. It was 50% off on the family app, which is like completely free. You just get it for downloading it, and it was 50% off, so it was down from 60 to 30, which, I mean, it's absolutely huge. Like, this will probably replace like my full length mirror that I've got in my room. And then lastly in there, I really can't show you now because it's not like even got a picture or anything on the front of it, but it's just a little like metal trolley for some bits. And again, I just wanted it to like organize some bits like under my desk. I don't even know if it'll fit under my desk, but it might fit the side of my desk. Fingers crossed anyway, because that's what I'm hoping it's for. This is what happens when you go to IKEA without measuring. It's just because it was a bit impromptu, I was going to IKEA. So, well, I mean, we had kind of talked about it, but yeah. But yeah, I'll show maybe if I set this up or whatever, what it looks like, or maybe I'll shove like a picture in here somewhere. But yeah, I just got a trolley to like organise some bits and pieces again. But yeah, that's everything what I got, and I think this all came to about £100, so which is actually like really good, based on the fact that I've got like a full length mirror that is probably so expensive elsewhere. I mean, it was meant to be £60, that's ridiculous. And like a trolley cart thing, the boxes, the pegboard with all the accessories, like I think it's really good value. Obviously we had dinner there as well, and Nate got some bits, but he's on his way home now. We've both got work tomorrow, so yeah, just wanted to come back because we spent way longer in there than like I think we've ever spent in IKEA ever. So yeah, we just kind of wanted to get back and yeah, get home.